Tosoh Corporation is a Japanese chemical manufacturing company, founded in 1935 and having more than 100 operations worldwide. Tosoh is the global leader in bioseparation and specialized in chromatography resins, HPLC columns, gel permeation chromatography and ion chromatography system. Since 1970s, Tosoh engineered the first ion chromatography system and contributed to environmental analysis in Japan. The second generation of ion chromatography system was launched by Tosoh in 2001, and it was the first model with a suppressor system. In 2009, Tosoh introduced the improved model of ion chromatography system. Today, Tosoh continues to innovate and bring the best products and services for water, food, pharmaceutical, and environmental analysis. Introducing Tosoh IC 8100 series, the high-performance and high-speed ion chromatography system. IC system consists of a degasser device that removes dissolved gas from the eluent. Pump device delivers eluent at a constant flow rate. Injector or auto-sampler injects the sample into the analytical column, whereby the components are separate. Detector measures the eluted sample. Column oven keeps the temperature constant. In the separation column, ion exchange resin is used as a packing material and having affinity for ion species of the opposite charge. Each ion species has a different interaction strength with the ion exchange resin, therefore it moves at different speeds through the column and resulting in their separation. Integrating with Tosoh TSK gel high-performance column technology, IC 8100 system can achieve high-throughput analysis. The analysis time of anions in the conventional column is 16 minutes. It can be drastically shortened to 5 minutes if using TSK gel Super IC anion HS column. Cation analysis with the conventional column is around 20 minutes. It is significantly reduced to 5 minutes when using the TSK gel Super IC cation HS2 column. In IC 8100, Tosoh proprietary gel suppressor system allows stable and continuous high-sensitivity analysis at a low running cost. When injecting the sample into the system, the suppressor gel is automatically loaded, and the rotary valve will then rotate and set at the correct position. The counter ion in the sample will be absorbed by suppressor gel before the analyte components going into the detector. The suppressor gel decreases the eluent background conductivity, reduces the noise level and increases the conductivity of analyte. This makes IC 8100 possible to detect low-concentration analytes. After the sample measurement, the system will discharge the used suppressor gel and exchange for fresh gel according to the next sample injection timing. Therefore, the contaminants from samples do not accumulate in the gel suppressor system, so the sensitivity does not decrease. However, the other generic electrolytic suppressor deteriorates over time, and the replacement cost is expensive. Tosoh IC 8100EX is an integrated ion chromatography with an auto-sampler. It enables multi-sample processing and continuous measurement up to 200 samples. It has an auto-dilution function with various dilution ratio options. So, creating the calibration curve and diluting highly concentrated samples are more convenient. IC 8100 ST is an integrated ion chromatography with a built-in manual sample injector. High sensitivity measurement at a reasonable cost is possible. For simultaneous cation and anion analysis, Tosoh IC 8100EX and IC 8100 ST instruments are connected and configured for the dual system injection mode. A single computer controls the operations of dual system injection mode. The sample is firstly injected into IC 8100EX and stored in the sample loop temporarily. Next, the auto-sampler will inject the sample into the IC 8100 ST system with precise mechanism of injection valves in both systems. With this configuration, the analysis of both anion and cation can be completed at the same time. ES8100 is the latest auto-eluent generator unit. The eluent can be prepared automatically from concentrated eluent stock and pure water. UV8100, the latest UV vis detector, is 5 times more sensitive than our conventional device. Fast, accurate, and reliable. Tosoh IC 8100 ion chromatography is the ideal instrument for your research and testing facility.